I'm going to get informed consent, which would just be a letter sent out to parents beforehand, letting them know that we're going to be coming and doing a hearing screening on their child and giving them an option to opt out. Hi, my name's Amelia. I'm going to be your nurse for today. What's your name, date of birth?
Caitlin Patton, 10/23/07.
Wonderful. Today we're just going to be doing a hearing screening test. So at the start of the day, I would take my headphones and my audio meter and I would check it. I'm gonna check, turn it on, make sure it stays on for the entire day. I'm gonna check the headphones for breaks, cracks, anything like that. And then I'm gonna check the cords to see if there are any breaks in the cords. And I'm going to put them on and test to make sure that you can still hear them and that they're working properly. Whenever you hear a noise, you're gonna either raise your hand or say yes, whichever you prefer. You can put those on. I'm going to set the machine to the left ear, and I'm gonna set it at 1,000 hertz at 40 decibels, and I'm gonna test that. So if you hear it, you're just gonna raise your hand. If you don't, you're gonna do nothing. Perfect. If she did not hear it, I'm going to re-instruct and then I'm going to see how she does again. If she still does not hear it, I'm going to retest at a later time. If at the retest she still does not hear that sound, it's going to be a failed test. She did hear that sound, so we are going to move it to 20 decibels. Raise your hand if you hear the sound. Perfect. I'm going to check a plus every time she raises her hand, which means she hears it, and a minus for if she doesn't hear it. Test again. Perfect. Test again. So a pass would only be 2 out of 3 times she heard it. So in this case, she did hear it 2 out of 3 times. So for that sound, I'm going to continue on. I'm going to raise it to 2,000 hertz, still at 20 decibels. Perfect. So she heard all 3 of those. So for that sound, she's also going to be passed, and we're going to continue on to 4,000 hertz, still at 20 decibels. Wonderful. And then I'm going to switch to the right ear and repeat all of the steps. So that was 1,000 hertz at 20 decibels on the right ear. I'm going to continue on. That was 2,000 hertz at 20 decibels. Next, I'm going to continue on to 4,000 hertz at 20 decibels. Perfect. So because on all of her, both of her ears and all of the sounds, she did at least 2 or more passing sounds. That means she passed the entire test, so I'm going to document that. And through the entire procedure, I'm just covering this, making sure she doesn't see if I'm marking it as positive or negative. Then I'm going to document that and make sure it's sent out to the parents. You can take your headphones off.